And if you have seen the Escape the Mine video, you know that
why the watermelons everywhere?
we were here before we hopped in the evil minecart, before we knew it was evil. But now, we fell on the construction site again. I was just right. Yeah, because from the last one I escaped. I somehow escaped. I accidentally. So So I want to tell you what happened to get me here. I want to tell you what happened to get me here. So I was arrested. I was thrown in Roblox jail for stealing all the lightning paths in the world.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't know why I did it. I don't know why.
No, Atticus, wait, guys. I want to tell you why I got thrown in jail because I was peeling the wanted signs off because of my friends were wanted, and I was peeling them off.
And then we escaped prison, and then I was right around my lightning path. I got to keep one, and then I found myself and then I landed in the construction site.
Yeah, well,
and then I fell in a mine. I fell in a minecart somehow. And then that put me in a giant mine. But after I was out of the mine, I went back up here, and then I found out that, oh no, they locked me in. So, I guess it's like escape the cones? That was easy.
Look.
What?
I just look. Ah, help!
Look at this parkour skills.
Wow.
Parkour skills up. I don't want to help though. I'm not really in the mood for helping.
Don't jump over it. Oh, see?
Jump. I know, I haven't been jumping over it.
What?
I have not been jumping over it. Ah, there we go. Discarded Fat Paps. Yeah, this must be my Fat Paps too. Seems like every one of these we play is my Fat Paps. What the heck?
Yeah. This one, I just look. It says here too.
I died.
That sucks.
No, I don't want to subscribe to Splat. I don't want to subscribe to Splat Gaming.
He's stuck on the leaves.
Oh, that must suck for him. Oh, that sucks for him. Doesn't suck for me though. I'm just gonna jump. Oh, I need to save. There we go. I remember one time, like, I did like half of. I almost completed an obby. I missed the final jump, and then I forgot to save on like the second to. I forgot to save in the second to last thing.
Stuck in the cement.
I forgot to save in the second to last thing. Like the second to last.
Oh, I just.
Juniper. I forgot to save. The last time I saved was apparently on the
Wait, guys! Wait, turn around. I want to show them the funny thing.
No.
He's turning around.
No, Jenny, we're not on the same server. That wasn't you. It was just someone else that died. Well, like.
My video, Judy, go away! I just keep scooping me.
I'm not.
I just keep scooping me.
So, yeah. So I guess trying to escape this. I think this is like hot tar or something, like explosive tar, because I explode for some reason.
I want to touch the cement. It's evil.
I'm just gonna
You know you can skip this stage if you want, but that costs Robux.
I know.
Watch out for those giant
Which I don't have. Because if I did have Roblox, I would have had. Yeah, if I had Robux, I would have already had my awesome black hair. My awesome Oh my god, that same spot! I'm just walking and I run into it. If I had... Because if... You know I don't have Robux. Because if I already had Robux, then I would have already... Then I would get the bag. If I did have Robux, then I would have already got my awesome true Atticus hair. Instead of this true blue hair. Who needs true blue hair when you have true Atticus hair? I played this.
I do.
I played this one course called Speed Run 4, and it's the exact same thing. I just like rage quit. I rage quit on it. I forgot to save the video, so sorry everyone. That's why you don't see a video of it. If I was not being dumb, and if I did not forget to save the video,
Whoa, see?
you would not have, like, then I would have had a video.
These models are very
Watch out for the
sticky.
giant saw.
Okay, so I
Or can I
won't
just
touch
like
them.
move him?
Because it would make, because sticky makes me die.
Oh, then I died.
I just passed that over.
So I think you can jump over the handles.
This is in the ground. That's my dude, but that's
Yeah, the handles are hard to jump over, I guess. Oh my god.
There's nails.
What if there's like a
What?
after this I'm gonna search up tiny obby. Like see if there's an obby that's like they're super tiny or something. Or if it's just a tiny like 5-stage obby. These mud hills are very sticky. Okay, so I just walked through the wall. Wait, Jenny, stop. Stay there. Are you on top of that? Where are you, Jenny? Okay, so we're not the same thing. Or else I would have seen you. I saw someone who had your exact same hair over here.
Three pipes are unstable. Choose the correct one.
Oh my god, I didn't save vanilla air. Oh my god. Freaking I'm nuts. Didn't save on the mud part.
Wow, I'm good at this.
Maybe. Only a little. This mud over.
Oh,
Yeah, so.
Wait, Akis, do you want me to tell the pipes?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, tell him.
So, Akis.
Mhm.
I'll go wait for you to do
No,
this.
Jenny, don't tell me the pipe answers. Tell him how you know the answer to the pipe.
Because, Akis, I did the trick.
Yeah, so you go like this. You just look in front of you and you go down. So like,
It's the opposite side.
so go down. If it goes through, it's not it. I'm just showing him. So
Okay.
let's try this one. And hey, it doesn't go through, so this one's it. I guess it's not gonna be this one. Oops, missed it. What, is that the one again? I think this is the one again.
There's no screws.
Oh, I finished it, yeah. Oh, come on. Die. Oh, I died. Oh no, it was totally an accident. It was an accident.
That was really stinky. Sorry, guys.
Why do I not save?
Yeah, how did you not save? Don't touch
Oh my
the
god.
right. It got the
Save, Atticus. Save.
That was easy. I just made it to them. And this again. I did that touch. Oh yeah. Keep my eyes open. Wait. But how
Go on.
did I die? I'm not supposed to.
So it's left, middle.
Okay. No, left, right, middle.
Nope. It's left. Oh my. I swear, I always save. I always hit that little checkpoint over there. But it just never does it. So I'm gonna run over the checkpoint 5 times. If that thing does not say state, that thing up there does not say stage 11, I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, there we go. Finally. I did this part a million times. Don't have to. And now stage 12. Gingy, right? Oh, it was right. Middle. Stage 12.
Well, for me, it wasn't.
Maybe it's different for everyone. Arrows! Maybe Junie's is crazy. Maybe. What stage are you on, Junie?
17.
I'm 13. I'm 4 behind.
I have to hurry up.
Oh my god.
Bobby just died.
I forget. Don't touch the way with giant blueprints. Oh, that's cute.
I forgot it.
Okay, that was actually the easiest one ever. Jenny, you find a way to like skip a tiny bit of that? No, you can't skip it. Honestly, maybe you could just like go along the edges, but you can't.
Guys, I just beat the Audi! There was 17 stages.
Oh, it's only 17. Yeah, this is a short obby then.
I'm looking for a secret badge. Can you help me find it?
Oh no, no. Wait, does that guy have sunglasses on?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's the same guy. It's the same guy who wanted the secret badge in the mining one. 15. 2 more to go.
Go back.
16.
Right, blade. Oh yeah, I like the lightning path.
17. Here we go. Concrete. More concrete.
I'll take that.
Junie, lightning path. The lightning path's my signature path. Get your own path.
Wait!
Like, Junie, why couldn't, like, the grass path be yours?
What?
Or the gold path. Boom.
No. Lightning path is mine.
Oh. So, okay. So then I'm changing mine to the rainbow path.
And the lightning path is mine.
Nope, you can only have one path.
It's not fair. You're best. The best. Awesome. What do you say it? Click the voting thing. Let's get it to drop.
Piano, Bill. Piano! So anyway, I'm just gonna help other people's in need. I just died, didn't I? I just died. Oh my god, I spawned back here? Oh, I'm not a god anymore. Oh, I'm not a god with my epic rainbow path.
Oh. That's so cool!
I didn't.
I just ate for it.
Oh, so that's what that does. The escape prison obby, all it did was like make a tiny UFO that flew around you for like 2 seconds, then it disappeared. It was kind of useless, so that's why I didn't grab it. I thought it was the same thing. Oh my god! Ugh! Why does this cement kill me if I touch it? Because I'm so high up.
What that do?
Boom. Here we go. So, this time we have to remember to save. Is there any save? Yep, there's a save. Oh, of course the saves are there. Oh, the light path. So let's try light path.
I can help me find the secret beds.
I don't know where it is.
I should help me.
Yeah, I don't know. So I can't help you if I don't know.
Just help me find No. I'm moving again. Atticus?
Mhm.
Okay.
1 second. Trying to help this guy up. If he actually wants. Okay, anyway, everyone, that is the construction obby. I'll see you awesome people later.